Worried about the pre-trip inspection test? We've got you covered. The question we're going to tackle now is required mirror or glass has broken or damaged attachment onto vehicle body. Now, the mirror questions, they separate into two. One question is mirror or glass, which they can ask the draft test center at the exam. They're going to ask you as an interior question. And that happens after the in-cab check. Now, you also have mirror attachment. That's an exterior question that we're going to work on, and that's separate. Now, what is the difference? I'll explain, but just a short version, it's said in the question. The required mirror or glass has broken damaged attachment. So in the second question, we're talking about the attachment of the mirror onto the vehicle body. Whereas the one that is in cab, it's asking for the mirror or glasses, which is we're going to check inside. Anyways, let's get to it. I'm going to get started. How do you get started? We start from the mirrors. We have to check all of the mirrors around the truck, that they're not broken, they're not damaged, and we also have to check their attachment onto the vehicle body and make sure that they are securely attached. So we check the glasses. There are no cracks or damages on the glasses. They provide clear view, and they're secure onto vehicle body. The attachment is secure. The hood mirror is secure onto the vehicle body. We have the glasses that they're not cracked or damaged. We move to the other side. We have the mirror that's secure onto vehicle body, and we have the mirror glass that's not damaged. We also have here the mirror that is secure and it's attached securely to the body, and then we have the glasses that are the mirror glasses that are not cracked or damaged, and they are secure. That's it. This is a very easy question. So let's go ahead and show you how you do it on the road test. At the drive test center, we are going to be asked, required mirror or glass has broken or damaged attachment onto vehicle body. Mirror attachment. As the applicant, I'm going to first read the defect. Required mirror or glass has broken or damaged attachment onto vehicle body. It's a minor defect. When we have a minor defect, we write it in the inspection book, report it to the operator, and we are allowed to drive the vehicle. The mirror is secure. The glass is not cracked or damaged, the mirror glass. The mirror glass is not cracked or damaged, provides clear view. It is secure. The attachment is secure. The glass is not cracked or damaged. The mirror is secure, attached securely. The glasses, they don't have any cracks or damages, and they provide clear view.